Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024. And we have finally just had it. We're fed up. We've just got to do something different with this security flashing in the van. We've been dealing with it for about 8 years. We replaced the VAT module. That worked for a couple of years. It started going back again, and now I've been having to do the relearn. And normally it's just been for every couple of months, but this month if I had to do the relearn 3 times in the last month. So we've researched it. We found a place locally, and you can too, where you'll be able to have someone delete the security program out of the computer. You know, the guy was going to charge me $350. So what I did, got online and researched, and when I get this computer, I'll put I'll give you the information. But for $125, you can send your computer in. They will reflash it, remove the security program from it, and send it back to you. But you pay shipping. They also have computers there you can buy. I bought a computer, $199. It has the security program removed, and with shipping it's going to be $216. It'll be here Tuesday. We'll be putting it in, but we've also had problems with this instrument cluster. The gas gauge, the lights need to be replaced. It's dim. The stuff flickers and jumps back and forth. We found a place in Buford that will, and I've already gotten all this other stuff off of it, as you can see. And all this instrument cluster just unplugs. We're going to be driving it, or we would just go ahead and take it out. The instrument cluster unplugs. After I get that computer in, I'm going to take that instrument cluster out, take that over to them in Buford or Swanee, wherever they're at, and let them redo that instrument cluster. They don't have one on site, or to sell. So I'm going to have them redo that. Now today or tomorrow, either tomorrow and Friday, we're going to be replacing the radiator and radiator hoses on this Jeep. This thing has sprung a little bitty leak, and it's been aggravating me for about a month. I haven't been driving it, but we're going to order a radiator. I think the radiator hoses are okay, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them. We will be replacing that radiator today or tomorrow or Saturday. Sometime in the next couple of months, I'm also going to be getting tires for that Jeep up there and bring it back to life. Start driving it. I may have to redo the transmission again. Be the 4th transmission in it if I do. But we'll get it back going. It's got, I think, 405,000 miles on it. This one's got 315, I think. The van has 345. And that new computer is probably going to come with 0 miles. So I'll have to change my title if I ever sell it to mileage is not correct. Anyway, that will take care of this video. The shop cat. So that's what we're going to be doing. Want to hit the road, go to South Georgia too.